Welcome. In this video I will show you how to update ChromeOS on your LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 3 Chromebook. First of all, open the control center by clicking this icon in the bottom right corner of your device's display. Then, make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. Go to your device's system by clicking the gear icon in the bottom right corner. Scroll down to About ChromeOS. And then check for available updates by clicking right here. If your device finds an update to install, it will proceed by automatically downloading and installing it. Once the installation is finished, you're gonna have to restart your computer to apply changes. Besides, also check for additional firmware updates in the respective menu on this page. All of these updates will also be downloaded and installed automatically if required. And that's pretty much how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.